Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me Anusha and this is the first time I filmed this look in front of the camera. I was hell excited and yeah, a few days back I posted one poll in my Instagram story and I asked my followers to choose between two looks and most of them chose the smoky eye look. Almost 70% of them chose the smoky eye look and here I am with it. So if you are interested to watch this video, then keep on watching, and if you like my content, then please do like this video, comment and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. It will mean a lot to me, seriously. So without any more blabbering, let's just move into the video. So the first step that we need to do is to prep our skin with a moisturizer. So the moisturizer that I'll use is from Nutriderm, but I have already used it, so I'll not use it anymore. So we will quickly jump on to the next step, that is to apply a primer. The primer that I'll use is this is from Purple. This is the 24K gold primer. It is a silicone based primer, so it will fill up your pores. I'll take a little bit of it on the back of my hand and I'll just apply it onto the places wherever I just need it. So the next step is to apply a foundation. The foundation that I'll use is from Maybelline Fit Me and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'll just dot the foundation on my skin. Now we will just blend it. We will not drag it, we will just dab it. So now we will move on to the eyes. We will do the eyes first, then we will move on to the rest of the face. So I am taking this concealer and I'll prime my eyelids with it. I'll take one flat brush like this and I'll take a little bit of concealer in my brush. And now we will blend out this concealer with the dabbing motion again. Now my concealer is all blended. We will take some powder and we'll set my concealer. I'm taking this Fit Me Ka compact powder and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So now you will take any kajal that you have. I am taking this Sugar Ka kajal. This is in the shade black, obviously. You can take any kajal, but remember to take a kajal that smudges. Don't take a kajal that is smudge proof. Like I have this kajal, this is from Plum. it is a smudge proof kajal, so you cannot smudge it. So you need a kajal that actually smudges, or else you will not able to do that smoky effect in your eyes. And I'll just apply it onto my lids, and you don't have to be precise with it. You can apply it anyway. Like, you don't need to be precise with it. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Now we will take one small pencil brush like this, see, and then we will smudge the kajal. After the kajal is all smudged, I'll take this palette. This is the Beauty Glazed Color Board palette. I'll take this palette, and from here I'll pick this orange shade in my blending brush and just put it here onto your crease and just blend it with the black itself. See, you are getting a warmth effect in your eyes. Now we will take another brown shade which is a bit darker than the previous one, like this one. I'll pick up this shade in my blending brush and I'll just put it in my outer V. I'll focus it on my outer V, and then I'll drag it inside and I'll blend it again. Focus on the outer V, but then drag it inside. Now take one flat brush like this and take any black shade that you have. Pick up the black shade in your brush and just dab it in this black region of your eyes. Just dab it so that the black color intensifies. See, and now we will take the same blending brush and we will blend out the edges. Now take a kajal. Now I'll use the plum one because this is jet black, like actual black. I will just outline my eyes, not outline, I mean to say that we will put this in our waterline. I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say. I'm bad at explaining things. Now we will take the same pencil brush with which we blended out the kajal at first, and we will blend out our waterline to smudge the kajal. This eye is done. It is that easy to do a smoky eye look. It's not tough. It's very easy. Now I'll quickly do my other eye and I'll come back. So now both of my eyes are done. So the next step is we will take one concealer and we will just put it over here so that it gets one sharp edge. I'll take this concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Mika concealer and I'm in the shade medium. I'll take this and I'll just apply here. Now I'll take my concealer brush and I'll blend it. Now we will set the concealer so that it does not crease. If you have oily skin, you can set your whole face, but I have a dry skin type, so I won't set my whole face. I'll just set the parts where I have applied the concealer, nowhere else. That's it. And now it is one of the most important steps, that is we will fill up our eyebrows. And for eyebrow I'll use this kit. This is from Wet n Wild. Take the spoolie and I'll just brush my eyebrows. Now I'll fill it up. After filling it up, we will again comb it. Now my brows are done, and now it's the time to apply blush, which is my favorite part obviously. I'll take this blush. This is from K Beauty in the shade Sugar Candy. And now we will apply a bronzer. I'll use this. This is from Wet n Wild, and I'll just use a little bit of it because I generally don't prefer using a bronzer. Now it's the time for a highlighter, and I'll use this highlighter. This is from Wet n Wild in the shade Precious Petal. Just look at it. Oh my god, just look at the shine. I'll take this kind of a brush, tapered kind of a brush, and I'll take my highlighter and will apply onto my high points. Just look at the glow. My god, just look at the glow. It's a blinding highlighter. You can try it. And the last step is to apply a lipstick. You can use any shade, but I will prefer using a nude shade. I'll use this lip crayon from K Beauty in the shade Gossip. See, this is how the shade looks. I'll apply this. So we are done with the lipstick as well. Now I'll take some highlighter and I'll put it in my inner corners obviously. So we are done with the smoky eye makeup look. Just see. this is the final look I have created, and if you like this video, don't forget to share, don't forget to like and comment, and please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then,